Mido Watches, an epitome of Swiss watchmaking precision and elegance. Founded in 1918, Mido has carved a niche with timepieces that blend classical design with modern innovation. Renowned for its attention to detail and durability, Mido offers a diverse range, from the Baroncelli's sophistication to the Ocean Star's robustness. A Mido watch not only adorns the wrist, but also represents a dedication to timeless beauty and technical excellence. All the links to the watches you'll find in the description below. Number 6. Mido Ocean Star Diver 600. A timepiece that embodies the spirit of adventure and the allure of the deep. Crafted with a robust 43.5mm stainless steel case, it exudes a commanding presence. The mesmerizing blue dial, resembling the depths of the ocean, is adorned with bold, luminescent markers and hands, ensuring clear visibility even in the darkest waters. The unidirectional rotating bezel and sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating make this watch a true diver's companion. Water-resistant up to an impressive 600 meters, it's a testament to Mido's commitment to delivering exceptional performance. The Ocean Star Diver 600 is not just a timepiece, it's a statement of daring and resilience for those who seek to explore the mysteries of the sea. Number 5. Mido Ocean Star Tribute. A watch that pays homage to the brand's rich maritime heritage. The 40.5mm stainless steel case reflects a blend of elegance and durability, capturing the essence of the ocean. The captivating blue dial mirrors the ever-changing hues of the sea, adorned with luminescent indexes and hands for perfect readability. The Ocean Star Tribute boasts a date display and a distinctive crosshair design, adding a touch of sophistication. Its robust build and water resistance up to 200 meters make it a reliable companion for underwater adventures. With a stainless steel bracelet completing the ensemble, this timepiece is a tribute to seafarers and a celebration of the eternal bond between Mido and the sea. Number 4. Mido Baroncelli Midnight Blue. A fusion of sophistication and style. The 38mm stainless steel case embraces a captivating midnight blue dial reminiscent of a starlit sky, exuding a timeless allure. Delicate silver tone hands and diamond-cut indexes mark time with precision and elegance. The sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating ensures clarity and durability. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, this timepiece not only looks stunning, but also operates flawlessly. The stainless steel bracelet seamlessly integrates with the case, embodying comfort and refinement. With its fusion of aesthetics and engineering, the Mido Baroncelli Midnight Blue is a tribute to the night's beauty and a statement of timeless grace on the wrist. And number 3. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph. 040.42736.04200. A blend of heritage and modernity. Encased in robust stainless steel, the 42mm diameter offers a perfect balance of presence and elegance. The exquisite silver dial showcases a refined display, featuring chronograph subdials, date window, and luminescent hands and markers for easy reading. The genuine brown leather strap adds a touch of vintage sophistication, emphasizing the watch's timeless appeal. Powered by an automatic movement, this timepiece is a symbol of precision and reliability. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensures durability, making it a perfect companion for daily adventures. The Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph melds classic aesthetics with contemporary functionality, embodying the essence of timeless style and Swiss watchmaking expertise. Number 2. Mido Baroncelli Signature in 037.20-711.04101. A masterpiece of horology. Encased in stainless steel, its 38mm diameter exudes sophistication and refinement. The captivating black dial is adorned with a delicate sunray pattern, highlighting silver-tone hands and indices, offering a harmonious blend of elegance and legibility. The open heart at 12 o'clock showcases the beating heart of the automatic movement, a testament to precision and artistry. The date window at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its beauty. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet, it seamlessly marries comfort and style. This timepiece, equipped with the sapphire crystal, epitomizes Mido's dedication to durability and excellence. The Mido Baroncelli signature M037.20711.04101 is an embodiment of timeless sophistication, a true emblem of Swiss watchmaking mastery. Number 1. Mido Commander Big Date M021.62.622.03100. A captivating blend of classic design and modern functionality. Encased in stainless steel, its 42 mm diameter exudes strength and style. The dial, in a striking anthracite hue, boasts a sunray pattern that dances in the light, accentuated by silver tone hands and indices. The standout feature is the prominent big date display at 6 o'clock, adding a contemporary touch to this timeless design. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, this timepiece offers precision and convenience. The stainless steel bracelet completes the look, ensuring both comfort and elegance. With the sapphire crystal, it guarantees durability and resilience. The Mido Commander Big Date M021.62622.03100 is a perfect harmony of tradition and innovation, a tribute to Mido's enduring commitment to excellence in watchmaking.